used to have picnics and play games in lush green areas. Where is the smell of grass that comes to our noses with the warmth of the sun? Why do I find it hard to breathe next to giant buildings that look like castles? Have I fallen ill? On the beach where I used to go, people have forgotten their toys. Why don't they come back and get them? Why do their toys smell so bad? Why do people ask other people for more money to do what they should be doing? Why didn't their mothers cook for these people? How can we play together when they are hungry? Why don't I have a new friend? Different kids used to come here, and we used to have fun together. Where are they now?
How many questions do you have in your mind, my child? You are too young to find the answers. But I can help you. There are people in the world who have a lot of money. These people can buy anything they want. Those people have companies. They have very expensive toys. All the people talk about them. They become so naughty that they don't care about other people anymore. Just remember the name of one of these people well. Ivan. That's why so many people suffer. But I feel something.
Trop c'est trop.
Ya basta.
يكفي.
Yeter artık.
यह बहुत है.
È abbastanza.
十分です。Enough.
Young people want to say enough is enough. These people are very different. If they work together, I am sure they will succeed.